Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel, Learn Math with Syed Ali. So, since the schools are closed and we are facing COVID-19 pandemic and help reduce the spread of COVID-19, schools are closed. We are isolating at home to avoid spreading illness to others. And I have here a question which can benefit students while they are at home, and parents can make my videos available to their sons and daughters who want to study grade 8. But these videos are also important for grade 7, 8 and grade 9, because these are the basic videos and that will be help students even in their high school. So here is the question: put the planet in order according to their masses. So the masses are given in kilograms from heaviest to lightest. From heaviest, so I have to write down which one is heaviest and which one is lightest. So Mercury is given 3.3. So I will write whatever this order is, and then I will arrange it in order because they are mixed here. So Mercury is 3.3 into 10 to the power 23. So I will write here Mercury, and then Venus, whatever is given, I am writing it here or copying it down here, and then we will deal with how to write them in order. Venus, Earth is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24. Mars is 6.42 into 10 to the power 23. And Jupiter is 1.9 into 10 to the power 27. So here you can see that bigger the exponent is, heavier the mass is, right? So bigger the so the biggest exponent is, so I can write it here. Bigger the exponent is, bigger the exponent is in scientific notation, right? Bigger the exponent is, bigger the number is. Bigger the number is, right? So bigger the exponent is in scientific notation, not in others, right? So because in scientific notation all we have is decimal after one place, right? So all of them are in scientific notation. So in scientific notation, one rule we have here, that bigger the exponent is, bigger the number is. So who is biggest here in exponent wise? So that means Jupiter is heaviest. So if I want to write down the heaviest one, like from heaviest to the lightest, so I will put Jupiter here. Jupiter is the heaviest, which is 1.9 into 10 to the power 27. Why? Because bigger the exponent is, bigger the number is. So these are all kilograms. So which kilogram is heaviest here, which has got heaviest or biggest exponent, which is this. Now the second exponent is 10 to the power 24, but we have two of them, but we can see the number who is bigger. 5.97 is of course bigger than 4.87. So number 2 will be Earth. Hope you understand how I am calculating it. I am seeing the exponent and then I am seeing the other numbers behind the exponent, right? So that means then 10 to the power 24, but with 10 to the power 24, I have 4.87 and 5.897. So 5.97 is heavier, which is Earth. So I will put Earth before Venus. So third one will be the Venus. And this mass is 4.87 into 10 to the power 24. After 10 to the power 24, what is my exponent? So my exponent here is 23 and 23. But I have Mars bigger or heavier because 6.42. So that means number 4 will be my Mars. So Mars is 6.42 into 10 to the power 23. And then number last is we have Mercury. So Mercury is 3.3 into 10 to the power 23. So this is what we have listed from heaviest to lightest. So first of all, we need to understand that in scientific notation, bigger the exponent is, bigger the number is. So heaviest is Jupiter, and then Earth, then Venus, then Mars. Another way of doing it is making them same exponent, and then if we can make them same exponent, then we can see what the number is, which number is bigger, because now the exponent is same, so we can see the numbers. That is also another way of doing it. So mass, part B is mass of Saturn is about 100 times the mass of Earth. How heavy Saturn is? So Saturn is 100 times the Earth. 100 times the mass of the Earth. What is mass of the Earth? 6.42 into 10 to the power 23. 100 times means 10 to the power 2. And what we learn in exponent is that power, if the base is same, power can be added together in multiplication. So 6.42 into 10 to the power 23 plus 2, which is 6.42 into 10 to the power 25 kg. So this is mass of the Saturn, because it is 100 times mass of the Earth. So we put mass of the Earth. I put mass of the I have to put mass of the Earth, sorry. I put mass of the Mars. So mass of the Earth. So question is saying mass of the Earth. So I will erase it and I will put the right value for this. I'm sorry, I put Mars instead of Earth. So student also have to take care of these things. Sometimes we take the wrong values, so be careful. 100 times the mass of the Earth, and Earth is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24. This is Earth, and 5.97 into 10 to the power 24, and then 5.97 times 10 to the power 24 plus 2, because exponents base are same, exponent can be added. So mass of the Saturn will be 5.97 into 10 to the power 26 kg. So this is mass of the Saturn. So what I was saying is another way of doing it can be, if you want to make them in different, in same exponential form, and then you can see your numbers, which number is bigger or which number is lesser. But this one is more easier. I mean, if you can see that bigger exponent is a bigger number. So if you want to make it for practice, just to make for practice, right? So if I have this Mercury 3.3 into 10 to the power 23, and I want to make it like in an exponent of 27, which is my biggest power, right? So if I want to make it 27, that means I make it 10,000 times bigger in here exponent, right? 23 to 27. So 4 zeros. So I have to shift this the 4 places, right? So when I place this 4 places, 1, 2, 3, 4. So my number will be 0.003, 0.00033 10 to the power 7. What is this? This is my Mercury. Right? So this is my Mercury. And then I can see the other one, the Venus. So Venus is 4.87 into 10 to the power 24. If I want to make it 27, right? So I increase it by 100, 1000, 24 to 27, 1000. So I have to place the decimal, shift the decimal away, 1000 times away, 1 over 1000. So I will be 1, 2, 3, right? 1 was there, and I place it and I write it as value of 10 to the power 27. So 10 to the power 27. So it's 2 zeros, right? So 1, 2, 3, no, 2 zeros, because I have to place it here, right? 8 was there, right? 4.84. Oh, I missed 4, sorry. So 4, 1, 2, 3. And then I have Venus, I have Mars, no, I have Earth. So Earth will be 5.97 into 10 to the power 24. I want to write it as 27. So I will be replacing this decimal or shifting this decimal to the left, and this will be 0.00597, right? And then is after Earth is Mars, and after Mars is Jupiter. So this is not the answer of the question, but just I am giving you the practice that if we want to make these all exponent in the same exponential form, like 10 to the power 7, where the decimal will be moving. So Mars is 6.42 into 10 to the power 23, and I want to write it as 10 to the power 27. So I have to move the decimal 2, 4, 6, 1, 0, and 0, 0. Right? So how many places? Because 4 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places. So this is my number. So 1.9 into 10 to the power 27. If I want to write it as 27, it remains at 1.9 into 10 to the power 27. So now I don't have to look at the exponents. Just I have to look at the numbers. Who is bigger, right? And who is smaller? From heaviest to lightest, what my numbering will be? My numbering will be Jupiter is first, heaviest, and then who is the next? 0.005 is the next, right? So Earth is next. 0.004, so Venus is third. 0.00064, right? 0.00064, this is heavier. So this will be fourth. So Jupiter. So now I have Mars as fourth, and then Mercury as fifth, right? So same way, right? I arrived at the same answer. Jupiter, Earth, Venus, Mars, and Mercury. So this time in this solution, I don't have to look at the power, because I make all of them as the same power, exponent 27. And then I only see the numbers, and I arrange them as the same order, heaviest to lightest. So my order is Jupiter, Earth, Venus, Mars, Mercury, from heaviest to lightest. So hope you like the video. If you like it, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon button to receive another video. Thank you for watching.